Wena kodwa
So ufuna ukwenza
uzofaka itheza wena. Ugcine wena wenze yonke lento ungenze ngathi mina onephutha. Wena ngicela mama. Ngicela sema.
Bring the clip back with another video. Welcome to another episode of What Went Wrong. We will be analyzing this relationship. What did the victim do wrong? Let's get straight in the video.
So how long have you guys been dating?
It's been 3 years.
Okay. So I want you guys to play a smaller game with me, right? But before you guys play a smaller game, I want you guys to kiss for the last time as a couple.
He told them that you gotta kiss for the last time as a couple. You see, this brother's like, wait, what are you talking about kiss for the last time as a couple, dog? This is the game that you know he's not supposed to play, high key.
For the last time. If wait.
Chill.
Yeah, hold
on. Kiss. If you guys break up after the kiss, then you guys know that this kiss happened here for the last time. Yeah. When my sister, is it gonna be for the last time though?
No,
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Okay.
She was not sure.
Tell the kiss. Ah,
cameraman, back
see,
up.
I can't see
bro,
the look
back up.
me.
We're not here to see that.
Are they done? Are you guys done?
We're not here to
okay.
see that, guys.
So I want you guys to exchange phone for 60 seconds.
It's about to go down.
Exchange phones
For 60 seconds.
See
if
Are you gonna be shaking, brother?
She's not cheating on you. What
You're gonna
else?
be shaking.
No problem, babe.
Mbole guys. Borrow me yours.
uyazi ifoni yami.
Khulumela phezulu
Ifoni yami
sukuzo ukuthi uyachita.
I'm a private one.
That telephone.
Uyazi kunezinto zami zasesipanini.
So you are a graduate. Ithi ngibambe ngesandla. You are a graduate.
Yeah.
Dango. I left my graduation so I can be with you guys. Understand, when we are at 1 million right now, as we are reaching 1 million, I'm telling you guys, I'm your graduate. I graduated in the shit of YouTube.
Okay, we get it, guys. We get it.
Okay. Open yours, my sister.
The guy's a bit nervous.
Yeah.
Like, look how
Yes,
he just came closer. Hold on. Look how he just came closer. This guy's stressing me right now.
Okay. Open yours, my sister. Here. Yes, yes. Bambel up. Okay. I wanna
He's not promising, dog. I feel like this girlfriend is doing him a favor. Literally, just by being with him, I think this girl is doing him a favor, dog. But we'll see. If he's cheating, he better not look back, dog. It's child.
Nah, you password WhatsApp. Okay. Such I love you there, Putwa. So hello, Putwa. You wake up next to this man.
Every day.
How do you feel waking up next to this man?
Good question.
Ngimthanda ukudlula yonke into.
Okay.
Ngiyakwazi ukuphila phandle kwakhe futhi.
You can't live without him.
Okay.
I hope he cheats on you, my sister, so you can understand that man is not something to stand on. You can't stand on a man. A man is like a paper, my sister. Mawishisa yaphelela. We leave ashes. You understand? Okay. Okay, let's say sex.
As I'm worried about this couple. I'm genuinely worried. Look at this guy. Like, okay, we get my sister's now touching her hair, acting nervous and everything. But look at this guy. I'm worried about this guy.
Okay. Well, on kulma sex. Okay. Okay.
Sounds like one of those guys that just woke out a tavern, just crying.
Okay, ngiyakuzwa bhuti wami. Siyakuzwa bhuti. Elevate your betting games with EasyBet.
The whole havoc of watching an ad.
EasyBet today.
And this guy's cooking a long ad, guys. We just want to see the couple and see what the person did wrong. That's all we want.
Hair piece, not happy. Hair piece. This is these things.
Which things?
This thing. This. Hair. The hair piece.
No.
Hair piece.
What do you guys call them?
It's a hair piece.
How? Manje said you smell like a hair piece.
Akusayi mina namanje futhi uvela ngiboni nje into errong.
Let me see.
Ithombe zami nje nalo so sikhipha la.
Okay. But so far, I like how my sister is loyal and she keeps complimenting her man, bro. Saying, hey, I only see my man, nobody else. I like that. Hope you guys are seeing this as well. It's on my notes. It's on my notes.
Okay. So install people a week.
Yeah, I do installation.
What's your name?
I'm Anita.
Tell them.
Igama lami Anita.
Isn't she Zulu? Wait, isn't she Zulu? Anita, Zulu though. That's a Zulu girl. She speaks Zulu, but why is she Anita?
I also do installation. If you like, you can call your.
Come order your own from Anita.
Yes.
Anita. Thank you, my sister. Don't let them lie to you. We give people opportunity so they can advertise their stuff. So customers in Durban, hold up Anita. In this video, drop your number, say. And then my video drop and say I'm Anita, and then I will like it. Ne?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll like it so people can see it.
We'll definitely call Anita. Don't worry, we'll call you.
Okay, it's fine. Since you are not cheating. If you are cheating, I was never gonna allow that to happen. Open your spadi. Manje safe una discipline manje.
Look at how close Anita is getting.
Hayi baba.
Ngingafuni ukuthasheka le.
Kanjani baby?
Hawa.
Go.
Did you notice how Anita was so complimenting? She was complimenting his man, acting so feminine. No, she's dominant now. Kanjani baby, kanjani.
Go.
Uyazi nje na uthi yawa nje le phone isanda kuwa le phone.
Isanda
Qala
ukuwa.
ukuyivula nje, qala ukuyivula.
Oh nakho mina
You are act. You are acting when. When you are actor wena. Bafuna nina la kule generation. Wabona iSABC yawa le. Bafuna nina. Good generation.
Hi, my brother, don't scare us. My brother, don't scare us.
I wrote it for you. We're waiting for it to come out there. Okay, go down. Go down. That's AI. Okay, what's this? Let me see. Where's Kuku?
Kuku?
Ubani uGugu?
You cannot act confused. It's your own phone. It's your own phone, dog. Like I don't know why it's acting confused. Why are you frowning? Phone yako. You know who Kuku is, dog. Mikey.
Baby.
He knows, bro.
We are Pegel.
Uyamphe.
Kuku.
Uyakuphekela uGugu.
Ukuku. Awusisi wami lo ukuku.
Stop the cap, my brother.
Uchala tina manga, bro. You saying, babe, look. This is what you saying, look.
Usisi wakho mbiza ngo baby.
Phela sibiza na unakho ungibiza naye kanjalo.
No, this boy playing with us. He's playing with us. No way, Kuku's his sister. But I like how my sister's still like calm. She's not shouting. She's not raging. She's just asking him calmly. I like that. It shows that she's a proper woman. But now she might not have gotten a proper man. That's the issue.
Ngoba uphekela nje emendlini njena.
Panomntwana.
Ngobani lo mntwana?
Oh, by two. Abantwana by two.
I don't think he can afford two kids and 2 girlfriends. I don't think my brother can afford that.
Oh, wait.
Ngobani lo mntwana?
By two book.
Hayi nganza sisi wami lezo.
Nangu.
Uyena lo mtshela.
Andile into le ndiyibona lapha.
Oh, no, iphele ndaba.
Kahle baby ukuku.
Na le ndaba.
Andile into le ndiyibona lapha.
So you have 2 kids. Did you know that he has 2 kids?
Andiyazi lo nto Andile. Abantwana pho.
Guys, why could this guy possibly cheat on her though? Like, I'm not seeing a red flag at the moment. She's been complimenting him this whole video, right? And then when she found out that he's cheating, she started confronting him, but in a respectful manner. What else do you want, bro? What else do you want?
Abantwana bangapi pho? Wathi nehlukene nomama umntanakho.
Ya sihlukene kodwa baby siyakhuluma cause manje usuyefuna izinto zezingane na ngingeke nami ngimvimbe.
Unganixeleli mina.
Imagine, she wants to be talked to.
Uhlezi ubhizi babe, uhlezi ubhizi.
Andibuye endlini Andile.
Wena uhlezi umuntu okhathele sanda sami. Kumele ngenze wena uma ubuya
Andibuyi endlini Andile uthethe nami.
Uyabuya babe.
You know what's funny? He might be complaining that you always type her, she's the breadwinner. Imagine, but like so far he's saying, are you wrong because you don't give me anything?
Ntoni ibinzima uqale lapho?
Ayikho into enzima
ayikho lonto Andile. Ayikho lonto.
Ungamthathi.
Baby lalela.
Ukuthi umyeke. Buko wenza ama birthday. Naye no mama namona nangu mama.
Hayi uyakhumbula nje ngikutshela lana baby. Ngalelanga lele ngangishilo nje usakuzala umpilo enhlozo uthi wena sinele.
So my brother, you have 2 kids, ne?
Mna wanganibizi.
Unabantwana bayi2.
Sinabantwana bayi2.
Ukusukela nini Andile?
So but lo mntwana, how long have you guys been dating?
It's been 3 years but.
Musilomunye umncane nomntwana musilomunye.
Andile uqhamukaphi lona umntwana omncane? Ndazi umntwana oyi1 wakho mna. Omnye uqhamukaphi lona umntwana Andile?
Akuchazela.
Lonke ixesha udlala ngami undenza islim. Uchaza ntoni Andile?
Phela nombuye ukhohle baby uthi uhlezi
semsebenzini. Ungandenza islim, ungandenza islim.
Okay, she might just start touching him and beating him now. She might just start beating him now.
Kumele ngenze njani mina? Ngilale nobanike mina baby ngoba phela uhlezi semsebenzini. Angani wena uyasebenza wena.
Dokuvuthulula.
So akabalo.
Angani wena uyasebenza. What do you mean? You guys need to eat though. You guys need to eat, guys. This guy's just a bad man. I can't lie. I don't think the girl is doing anything wrong. That's crazy. But like, he's just a bad guy.
Lo mntwana buka ufana naye buka. Omunye lo akusu omunye usisi lo. Buka.
How could you complain about your girlfriend having a job? I don't think he has a job. But like, how if the breadwinner is breadwinning, how could you complain about that?
Wakabani ufana nobani?
Baby iphutha lami.
Andile ngowakho lo mntwana.
Nangu umuntu osikhathayo.
Omunye
right sihambela kahle
so lo omunye obani
nangu usefikile manje yabo sesiyaxabana
phela
baby uyazi ukuthi mina uhlangana nami baby
sungiqhela wena
uhlangana nami
sungiqhela Andile
ngamshaya thathi phone
if she hits him we can understand now if she hits him we can understand we can somewhat understand it's GBV we don't support it right but like
sungiqhela Andile
thathi phone wakho bafo ixola amasimo
mfethu uyayithanda nawe lento senzile la mfethu usifice la sihambela kahle la
so what do you want to do about it
mfethu yabo lo
I feel bad for her
those people that you are cheating with
don't feel bad for her
uyamazi uma wengane yami
so you have 2 baby mamas 3 kids Andile you have 2 baby mamas 3 kids
Andile
uyayizwa lento my sister ungamshaya please my sister ngoba masomshaya manje angifuni ukubambana nawe ungambambi ngambambi
phela ngifuna ukukhuluma nako
thetha ntoni na
ayikho lento ayikho into ukukhuluma nayo
sena sami uyazi kodwa uthi izinto ezikanje
wena unganginaki kodwa andikunaki intoni lonto ithambi yakomama abantwana bakho why ungahambi nami Andile xa ufuna uya kuma birthday uyo celebrate ama birthday abantwana bakho
uhlezi usemsebenzini njalo baby ngisho la ngama weekend wena uyasebenza mina mangidinga isikhathi nginawe baby
Andile stop Andile Kosuku
go back that's
our Andile
mama wakho
sana sami singaxatshanisa
ungandenzeli lonto mna
yaza baby
ungandiphambanisi Andile
see now when she starts saying ungandiphambanisi and everything
ungandiphambanisi
she sounds like a mother to Andile now I can't lie
when did you make these other babies tell me
ndala fethu lena
don't tell me this baby the other baby's young bro don't lie the other one
uyabona le date lapha uyayibona le date lapha ndandi off
bona baye kuphi kule chicken licken yakuphi kuphi bene yaphi la iyebo bene yodla kuyebo
la baby la engani nkathi ngitshele nje sasikhiphile ngoba ungeneza imali uthi ngihambe ngokhipha ingane
ngibona lele nengane kabnandi ukhathe uye the same day
yabona kodwa baby uthi uzoqhubana ukulalela abanye abantu sena sami ukuthi lento yethu ukuthi yapi
ungamfaka ubhuda kenza
why is he trying to manipulate her though wait why is he trying to manipulate her
uyena phela usiqaleni sanda sami ngicela ungilalela
asisithandwa sakho
hawu baby uyazi nje mina ukuthi ngithandela
ungambambi bro
unganibambi
guys this relationship might be violent behind the scenes I cannot lie they might be fighting
so what are you going to do with him my sister
ngayenzi lonto baby
ayikho sendiyenzile namhlanje ndiyayenza andisakufuni
manje uthi angilalephi mina umngixosha baby
exactly You need her for a place to stay, yet you're complaining that she has a job. Ivana. Okay.
What I
want to say is that this guy is not a good example of a man. That's what I want to say. Even the door is sleep outside. Outside.
Right lento yenzayo mfethu wena ungajabula wena wakho umuntu enziwe njalo
uzozongenza
hayi fana ngifisela inhlahla ngathi ngabe ngagila
okay
wena mantaka waqokile wathengelwa ndim
take the shoes give my sister shoes give my sister shoes back
baby ngeke
lento yakho yakuthola ungudoti wena awunayo ne-ID uqolisa abantu uqolisa ntoni.
See now when she starts snitching that she don't even have an ID, Aibo, the police are watching. What do you mean? What do you mean?
Ayenze lento sanda sami ngiyacela.
Yenzile ke namhlanje.
So you living in my sister?
Yamshiya.
Oh me I wanna live. If you living in it's fine, leave him so we can be done because it's about to rain now.
Mama ngiyacela mama.
No, don't fall for it, my sister. Don't fall for the stupid thing. Don't fall for it. It can't be, bro. And one thing I'm getting right now, I'm gonna highlight it at the end of the video. What this sister is supposedly doing wrong, according to this guy. I'm gonna tell you near the end of the video. Hold on. But like, what do y'all think about this guy right now? I want you to comment down below. Let me know what you think about this guy. Look at it. What
about to rain now.
Like, look. Look. And then he wants to fight. This guy, I don't think he is even his own age.
This
is childish behavior.
So
whoa, calm down, Jamal.
I told you.
Don't pull out the 9.
So ufuna ukwenzani ethi ungifaka itaser la esibunweni ufuna ukwenzani epitaser
itaser wena
ngizokushaya ngezandla
Listen now, that's the man we don't need a taser. I can beat you with my own hands.
Doti wena ukudoti.
Why is he looking for a rock or a weapon, dog? You see this guy is weird. This is a weird guy.
Kuhlwane nabantu fethu sambe thina fethu sambe sonusinkinga zethu endlini sobabili samba behamba nobantu mina baby ngoba sixabana
ubushile
zethu
ubushile nankinga nawe anankinga nawe ubuyekile namhlanje
ngiyacela
ungumnqundu wena
baby
so you're done with him, sister?
ayikhonde usiphinde uyithethe nalo
because I don't want to be here to me. I want to leave. If you are living so
anivumeli bantu
umeyakalele alale emnyango lo
baby uzolala njengoba kunetha
ngiyolala nabantwana bakho usibolele nabo lapha empetheni
ingane zethu sihlala nazi ingane uyazi sihlala nazi ingane
uhlala naye
or ingane sihlala nazi ziyafika iphinde ihambe
uhambi wazi uya celebrate ama birthday noma wengane zakho
phela nganginike wena sina samalutho asambe so ijabulisa nezingane washo uthi
nganginike wena sithanda sami imali ukuthi ihambe siye ijabulisa nezingane yethu is complaining that she has a job.
Ayuzofona asho ukuthi uArand kule ndawo ngangikuyona
unomnye umntwana angazi ngaye the third one nale baby mama enye yabo fethu musu lokho fethu ungena indaba zami yabona indaba yakho ayikho
musu ungena indaba zami fethu lana ngizama ukulungisa wena uyabulala wena ngiyalungisa mina uyabhidliza wena
sanami sosithandwa sakho mina
uvumela abantu manje wena ususile
andivumeli abantu ndivumelana nesigqebo sami ndizithatha
phela egcineni wena owenze yonke lento ungenze ngathi mina onephutha wena obuhamba la uhamba ubuya ntambama
as if she was out at prove or out cheating or something dumb, dog. You know, guys, I want you all to comment down below. What do you think about this woman? Right now, he's blaming that on something that's oh my goodness. Right now, he's saying that she's wrong. I want you guys to comment down below. Let me know.
So when I know brain, you wanna talk sense, but we have 3 kids, 2 baby mamas. You didn't even tell this lady about
that. He doesn't even have money. You're too poor to having 3 kids and 2 baby mamas, Bachi.
I wish him the best right now.
He needs to work right now.
My sister, me, I wanna leave. If you wanna leave him, leave. I don't want him.
We are about to ukuthi mina fethu selokhu kwathi inhlonge ithandela wena.
Right yalo.
Ngithandela wena mafako wami. Mina nje fethu akekho umunye umuntu engimbona ngaphandle kwakho.
Andigezi mina.
Yabo baby. Ngiyacela sihambe solungisa izinto zethu sana sami nawe sana sami ngicela phela.
If uyahamba we-one bafo.
Ngihambe kanjani mfethu ngedwa ngifike naye mfethu.
Andizohamba nawe ke ngizohamba ndodwa. Ndiyayazi indlela endlini. Ndiyayazi. Zogibela amateksi. Zoyenza.
Yabo nje baby kutshele nje baby.
Khulula isihlangu zami ndakuthenga zona ngoku. Khulula. Nale jacket.
Ngicela sana sami.
Unje imali yami. Unje imali yami.
Yasikhulula lezi zinto or
phela phela
ukhulule.
Ngayithatha.
And he still wants to explain, bro. Hey guys, this guy.
Thank you, sir.
Ithathe. Shuthi yona vele into oyifunayo le.
Don't hit her with the jacket though. Don't hit her with the jacket.
Into oyifunayo.
Meka mkayi.
Thatha la. Wazi kodwa ukuthi masifika lapha yana. Yonke into yami nami ngiyathatha.
Awunanto vele, yephi into ozoyithatha? Yephi into ozoyithatha? Awunanto.
Ngoba ngiyakubona ukuthi ukhola abanye abafana ukudlula mina wena.
Wena umfana osile.
Uyindoda wena.
Umfana osile.
Suyindoda wena.
Ngoba ngibona namasende. Namasende. Hoyibo. Umfazi kaloku wena.
Nathi thatha mthako.
Zowathatha ngawami vele ndawathenga mina. Zowathatha.
I can live here, brother.
Baby.
Bye bye.
Wena kodwa wena.
We're still waiting for a number. We're still waiting for a number there.
Wena.
Find something. Find something, mfana. Even them. Nabo ngiyabashaya laba. Nabo ngiyabashaya.
Joseph, we need a number.
Bona nabo ngiyabashaya.
Ulidi wena.
Hayi nawe yami.
Ngakushaya nabo labo uthi ngithembe bona. Ngiyadlala bafethu. Do what you do, I'm gonna keep on.
This guy's ending the show without giving us a number, guys. Imagine. What were the points there? The points were that she's coming back late, right? Yeah, she's coming back late. She works a lot. Yeah. So now, listen, guys. So basically, what I'm hearing is that the relationship here, the problem is that she's coming back late at work, right? She's working for them. He doesn't even have enough money to have his own house. Yeah, he's complaining that she's coming back home late, guys. Please let me know what y'all think about the girl as well. I think the girl was more of like a wife material right there. Like, honestly, wife material. She's trying her best. She's breadwinning. Actually, like, while a man's supposed to be the breadwinner, but she's doing it. Yeah, the guy's complaining, saying, hey, you're coming back late. And he's thinking about the XEX word. Imagine. That's the only thing he's thinking about, not money. He's not thinking about money. He's thinking about the SEX word, though. This guy needs to lock in, man. See you guys in the next episode. Peace out.